Jingle 2, class. A sentence is complete when 5 simple rules it meets. It has a subject, and a verb, and it makes sense with every word. Add a capital letter, add a punctuation mark, and now our sentence has all its parts. But remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Our sentence is complete, and now we're through. Jingle 3, the noun jingle. This is a noun jingle, my friend, a noun jingle, my friend. You can shake it to the left and shake it to the right. Find yourself a noun and then recite. A noun names a person, a noun names a thing, a noun names person, place, or thing, and sometimes an idea. Person, place, thing, idea. Person, place, thing, idea. So shake it to the left and shake it to the right. Find yourself a noun and feel just right. Jingle 4, the verb jingle. A verb, what is a verb? Haven't you heard? There are 2 kinds of verbs, the action verb and the linking verb. The action verb shows a state of action, like stand and sit and smile. The action verb is always in motion because it tells what the subject does. We stand, we sit, we smile. The linking verb shows a state of being, like am, is, are, was, and were. Looks, becomes, grows, and feels. The linking verb shows no action because it tells what the subject is. He is a clown. He looks funny. Jingle 5, the adverb jingle. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb asks how, when, where. To find an adverb, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a verb, adjective, or another adverb. What do I ask? How, when, where. What do I get? An adverb, man. Cool. Jingle 6, the adjective jingle. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective asks what kind. An adjective asks which one. An adjective asks how many. To identify an adjective, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a noun or pronoun. What do I ask? What kind? Which one? How many? What do I get? An adjective. Jingle 7, the article adjective jingle. Drop the beat. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. We are called article adjectives and noun markers. We are memorized and used every day. So if you spot us, you can mark us with the capital A. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. Hello, 3rd and 4th grade, and welcome to our Chapter 2 review. We're going to take a test tomorrow. The things that we're going to review today will help us prepare for that. Make sure you've got your name at the top. Today is the 5th. Chapter 2 review. Watch video in Google Classroom. Congratulations, you're doing it. And answer each question. Number 1, what's the definition of a noun? Well, think about our jingle. Find yourself a noun and then recite. A noun names person, a noun names thing, a noun names person, place, or thing, and sometimes an idea. Okay, so a noun, a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Number 2, what's the definition of a verb? Well, verb tells what the subject does, or it tells what the subject is. So, a word that tells what the subject does, remember what the subject does, that's an action verb, or what the subject, what the subject is, right? A linking verb. Verb tells what the subject does, or it tells what the subject is. What's the definition of an adverb then? An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So, a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. All right, notice I don't have capital letters here, and I don't have end marks. That's because I'm using this kind of more like notes, okay? This is informal. What are the 3 adverb questions? An adverb asks, how, when, what's the third one? Where? Adverb asks how, when, where. What is the definition of an adjective? An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Okay? A word that modifies a noun or pronoun. What are the questions? An adjective asks, what kind? An adjective asks, which one? An adjective asks, how many? Number 7. What are the 3 article adjectives? 3 article adjectives, a, and, the. Think about our jingle there. Number 8. What are the 4 kinds of sentences? Remember, if we put a D, what did that mean? That was a declarative sentence, right? That's a statement. What's the next kind? We had an imperative. That means something you must do, like a command. We also had an exclamatory sentence, right? Exclamation point, strong feeling. And then finally, we had an interrogative sentence, right? If you're interrogating someone, you're asking them questions. So we had an interrogative sentence. Number 9, what is another name for the subject and all the words that modify it? We say this when we go back to the verb, divide the complete subject, right? The whole thing, complete subject. What is another name for the verb and all the words that modify it? Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate, right? The complete predicate is what includes the verb. All right? Excellent. Thanks for reviewing with me today. You will be all set and ready for your test tomorrow.